we are gonna talk about creating Jira project. So first of all, we are going to search about Jira login, or we just type Atlassian right here. As you can see, we are going to be redirected to atlassian.com. So as I have already logged in with my account, so I just have to click right here, get started, and then just wait a few seconds. It's gonna be redirected. As you can see, I have already used my account right here, so I can switch account. In your case, you have just to create another one with your account. For example, let's add another account. For me, I can use, for example, this mail, which is for Courses Universe. I'm already logged in with this one also, but it's going to redirect me to Jira. So I have to add Jira to an existing new site. So I'm going to go to Jira, and then just wait a few seconds as it's going to load. I've already created a project, so I'm gonna create a new one. Click right here, and then Jira. Okay, so as you can see, all the projects are right here. So I'm gonna click on create project. So as you can see, we have a lot of template to choose. So for example, we are going to go with software development, and we have to choose either top level planning, which is in premium and it's recommended, and we can choose to create a Kanban project or Scrum project or cross team planning, bug tracking. So in our case, let's choose Scrum. Actually, I'm gonna talk about other types. For example, this is service management, which is like there is another version of Jira. It's called Jira Service Management, where you can manage all your services. And we have work management. There is Jira Work Management also, which is like helpful for managing work and recruitment or new employee onboarding. For example, it can be used also with project management. And also there is another version for project management, which is called Jira Product Discovery. We can use it also template for marketing. As you can see, we have another one, which is the go-to-market, the campaign management. Everything can be managed in Jira. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna go in software development and then choose Scrum. So as you can see right here, the Scrum template helps teams to work together using sprints to break down large complex project into bite-sized piece of value. Okay, so this is actually, if you are familiar with Scrum, is gonna give me like a story and bug and tasks, and we have workflow right here to do in progress, and then we can add also in QA for software development like testing, quality assurance, and also we have a like backlog, sprint backlog. It's already a predefined template, so I'm gonna use this template. As you can see, I'm obliged to choose either a team managed project or a company managed project. Okay, so actually the difference between those two, while there are dozens of project templates right here, that there are only two project types in Jira. The first one, which is team managed, and the second one, which is company managed. Okay, so as you can see, it describes like for teams who want to control their own working processes, best practice in self-contained space, and mix and match agile features to support your team as you grow in size and complexity. Okay, so anyone in your team can set up and maintain. This is not good for company project because business analysts or project managers are the only ones who do this. Okay, and setting do not impact other projects, but in the other one we can share settings between. In the company managed project, we can share settings between those. Okay, so actually we have like a team managed for Scrum, we have a team managed for Kanban, we have a company managed for Scrum also, and company managed for for Kanban. Each type you choose from the beginning. For example, we've chosen already we've chosen already team managed. So team managed for Scrum, okay? So actually, why team managed projects? So team managed projects are perfect for teams who want to get started fast and control all their own processes, practices, configuration end to end and set in self-contained space, as I already said. Okay. Project admins can configure and customize their team manage projects according to their needs without involving any Jira product admin. For example, right here, we don't need project Jira administrator in it's not necessary. Okay, it's not like mandatory to use this. So for a company managed project, actually, when we need a strict control, it's set up and maintained by your Jira admins. So already, Jira admin can be project management or another one. For example, you can choose from the company to manage your Jira account, add people, create projects, and a lot of other things. We are going to talk about this later. Okay, so the company managed projects use project schemes that can be shared across several projects. If we do under our organization and a site, we do something strict, or we do, for example, some policies and so on, is going to be inherited in all the project. Okay, and they are also more complex and require deep knowledge of Jira Product Administrator and Atlassian, also product administration. Okay, so the change requests are often required collaboration and compromise between team members, project admins, and Jira product admins. So I think that's all about the both. You can see there's advanced feature right here, and the team manager, there is only the essential features. Okay, so as I'm going to go deeper, I'm gonna choose the company managed. Okay, so as you can see right here, the project details, we are going to add a name. Actually, let's call this project, for example, Cipher Era. Okay, this is actually okay, Cipher. Okay, let's choose it, Cipher Era, and the key is CYP. And as you can see, the selected template, it's Scrum, and then the type, it's company managed. And then we head on to the next. We have just to wait a few seconds. Actually, this took some seconds to be redirected to the project. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, we have a backlog right here, and our project is named Cyphera, and it's a software project, and we are gonna talk about a lot of other stuff to add later. Goodbye.